So this is a quick review of PURECHIMP Rooibos Matcha Tea. The packaging is good and it's presented well in a nice small glass jar. So let's open it up. It's a very fine powder. So the instructions say to use half a teaspoon, using water that's just gone off the boil. The smell isn't that great. It kind of smells like animals. I think it's just because it's quite earthy. So now I'm doing the same method but with soy milk at the end. I've seen people online using milk frothers for matcha tea, so I thought I'd try this as well. So I've got cold water in the milk frother and I'm adding a bit more than half a teaspoon. And now I'm putting soy milk into the milk frother. And I'm just going to add this on top of the matcha tea. So this will be using the method that it states, so making a paste with cold water and then topping it up with off-boil water. Overall, the smell isn't that pleasant and it tastes quite pasty and powdery, so for £10 I don't think I would buy it again. The nicest one is just with the plain hot water.